So let's have fun to figure. Come here. Lol. Bit. Wait, I heard that. In here. Oh, in here, right? The word. Dang it. Dang. Don't come, please. So guys, let's have a fun again like this. Wait. Oh my god, Lord. Alright, bye-bye figure. So, finally. Dang. Here. Dang it, bro. Lol, bro. Well, bye-bye figure. Alright. Just keep here. In here, bro. That's very close. Ding. Lol, bro. Can't catch me. Oh my god, he's come back in. I believe it. Okay, I heard the sound. Where is he, bro? Oh my god. So very hard now. Oh my god. Well, bye-bye. Lol, bro. Well, bye-bye. Bye-bye figure, blind loser. So ding. Hey, Mr. Woodmobile. Yeah, that was a close. Well. Alright, come here. Lol. Oh my god, bro. Look at that. Alright. So we have to find diamond, triangle, star, not circle. This, oh my god, that's really fun. Well, finally. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Well, bye bye, Mr. Blind. Hey yo, I saw the light. Yeah, it's really here. And I saw the light, so really here again. Oh my god, I found the diamond. Now, wait a second. I found the diamond. And these shapes, I and star. And triangle. We have to find the V. Oh dang. That was very close, bro. Come on. No. Well, bye-bye. Oh. Oh my god, lol. That was so fun, bro. Jeez, I hit lag. Alright. Bye-bye, figure. Oh my god, he's come back again in the stairs. Oh my god, bro. We'll start following. Get in here. Finally, bro. Alright. Oh my god. It's really fun. On the square, not this, bro. There. Okay, take it down. Bro, so lag. Oh my god. Yeah, that's a good grief, bro. It's really fun. Lol. He got stuck. Lol. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mayor figure. Mayor, hey. What's up, bro? What's up? Oh my god. No, that's too fun. Oh dang. Bye bye, figure. Nice to see you again, bro. Oh dang. Here. Dang, sorry, bro. He will come back again. Oh my god. So annoying, bro. Let's take it here. Oh my god. It's too fun, bro. Oh, dang, 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 dang. Come on, get me, bro. Come on. Oh, it's gonna get me again. You're so blind. Hey, yo. Oh my god. So guys, this figure, it's so fun. And these doors, it's very fun, bro. Oh my god. I really like this, bro. This is my favorite. Oh my god. Alright. Come here, come here. Hey, yo. What's up, what's up? He got stuck, bro. Oh, dang, 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 dang. Oh, alright, fine. Let's do this again. Pre. Alright. Haha. I must control the heart. Alright. Alright, figure. Very good. I died. So, see you.